Desirable schools, jobs, and entertainment make Fairfax County a premier location to live, work, play, and raise a family. And guess what? The word is out. As our community continues to grow, the more people we have, the more homes we need. Fairfax County's housing market has reached a pivotal crossroads in providing homes that are affordable for residents at all income levels, but particularly for individuals and families with lower to moderate incomes. What does it mean to have a home that is affordable? In general, having an affordable home means you earn enough income to pay for your housing expenses and still have enough money left over to provide for other basic needs. Ideally, your household expenses should not exceed 30% of your income. With the average rent in Fairfax County costing about $1,913, this means that households need to earn an average of about $76,500 per year to live in an affordable home. For many essential workers in our community, like teachers, retail and grocery store employees, construction workers, and even public safety workers, the average cost of housing in the county is simply out of reach. Why is affordable housing so important? Today in Fairfax County, about 1 in 5 renters are spending more than 50% of their income on housing costs. This leaves them with less money for other needs like food, medical care, transportation, and childcare. As rents continue to rise faster than income, workers with lower incomes have fewer and fewer opportunities to find housing here, pushing them and their families out of the communities where they work. In Fairfax County, we want to be a community where everyone can find a decent, safe, affordable home to provide a platform for physical, social, and economic well-being. A stable home environment opens doors to opportunities, financial stability and growth, and self-sufficiency to help everyone achieve their fullest potential. How does Fairfax County work to create more affordable housing opportunities? The Redevelopment and Housing Authority, along with the Department of Housing and Community Development, works to enhance affordable housing opportunities in several key ways. We administer federal and state housing voucher programs, as well as local rental programs, to provide assistance for households with low income, older adults, individuals with disabilities, and those with specialized housing needs. We make investments of local funds, public land, and other federal and state resources to assist with financing private new construction, as well as preserving existing committed affordable housing in every corner of the county. We administer public policies that incentivize developers to include committed affordable homes for households with lower income as part of their market rate communities. We also administer the county's home ownership programs to help prospective homebuyers with lower incomes have the chance to purchase a home in Fairfax County at below market prices, with options for down payment assistance and lower interest rates. What does affordable housing look like in our communities? Most of the time, residents can't even recognize the difference between homes that are market rate and those considered affordable. Affordable homes look just like all the types of housing you see in your community, and they blend right in. They can be townhouses, single-family homes, manufactured homes, or even a high-rise apartment building. Affordable homes can also be for rent or for sale. What's next? Fairfax County needs more affordable housing opportunities incorporated into all our communities and neighborhoods in order to sustain the needs of our growing economy and workforce. As we work together to advance the availability of homes that are affordable, we are dedicated to making sure that everyone who needs a safe, decent, and secure place to call home has one in Fairfax County. You can help by being a part of the solution. Keep informed about key Fairfax County housing initiatives and news on Facebook at Fairfax County Housing, and learn more about our programs at fairfaxcounty.gov/housing.